Hello, welcome to Big Fish English. Let's continue our English conversation practice by describing this new picture. Take a moment to look at it and describe what you see.
Hello, Big Fish. In this picture, I see a happy family. There are 4 people, 2 parents and 2 children. They are standing next to a car with a lot of luggage on the roof.
Excellent! The word luggage means bags or suitcases used for traveling. What do you think they are doing?
I think they are going on a vacation. They have beach balls and a rubber ring, so they might be going to the beach.
Good observation. Vacation is a period of time spent away from home for rest or fun. Can you tell me more about the background?
Sure. In the background, I see a sunny sky with a smiling sun, a plane flying, and a lighthouse near the sea. It looks like a coastal area.
That's right. Coastal means located near the coast or seaside. How do you think the family is feeling?
They all look very happy and excited. The parents are smiling and the kids seem eager to go.
Wonderful! Eager means very excited and interested. Now, imagine you are one of the children. How would you feel?
If I were one of the children, I would feel very excited. I would be looking forward to playing on the beach and swimming in the sea.
Excellent use of looking forward to, which is a phrasal verb meaning to anticipate something with pleasure. What do you think the family will do first when they arrive?
I think they will unpack their things and then head straight to the beach to have some fun.
Great! Head straight to is a phrasal verb meaning to go directly to a place. What activities do you think they will do at the beach?
They might build sandcastles, swim and play with the beach balls. They could also explore the lighthouse.
Excellent! Build sandcastles and explore the lighthouse are good phrases. How do you think they prepared for this trip?
They probably packed their bags, made sure they had everything they needed, and planned their route.
Good job! Packed their bags is another useful phrase. What do you think is important to remember when packing for a vacation?
It's important to pack enough clothes, sunscreen, and toys for the kids. They should also bring snacks and drinks for the trip.
Absolutely. Can you think of any other important items to pack?
Maybe some first aid supplies like Band-Aids and medicine, just in case someone gets hurt or feels sick.
That's very thoughtful. First aid supplies are essential. Now, let's focus on some phrasal verbs. You mentioned looking forward to earlier. Can you think of another phrasal verb from your description?
Yes, head straight to is one.
Correct. Head straight to means to go directly to a place. Can you use it in a different sentence?
Sure. After school, I always head straight to my favorite cafe to relax.
Perfect. Another one you used is unpack. What does it mean?
Unpack means to take things out of a suitcase or bag.
Exactly. How about using unpack in a different context?
After I moved into my new apartment, I had to unpack all my boxes.
Great job. Now, let's review some vocabulary. What does coastal mean?
Coastal means located near the coast or seaside.
Correct. And eager?
Eager means very excited and interested.
Excellent! You've used all the phrasal verbs correctly. Keep practicing these words and phrases in different contexts. to strengthen your English skills. Great job today! Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.